With some high noon.
Wait, is it still morning? Good morning. I'm tired. I just did a Chloe Teen workout. Usually I do like her quick ones, like 10 minutes or so. Today I did the 15-minute one, the full body. Oh, that one was rough. I was dying. Her warm-ups, I gotta give it to that girl because her warm-ups alone have me dying. Just on her warm-up, I forget that it's a warm-up and I think I'm already doing the workout routine, like whatever category subject I picked, and it's like, oh, this is just the Jasper, I didn't realize you were my filming crew. And then to add on top of that, I just did a 15-minute full body workout. I'm dying. It's okay. Who does he think he is? So today is gonna be a pretty fun day. It is my best friend's boo birthday little kickback. They're gonna do something chill at their house, a little intimate get together. It's all blacked themed. I did get a few dresses off of Fashion Nova. Fingers crossed they actually look good because I always hate when I order something online and obviously, of course, the models are gonna make it look very good and then you put it on and it's like, is this even the same outfit? Hopefully they work out. If not, I already have to run out to the store to get Chris a black top because he doesn't have any like plain black tops. Most of them are graphic tees. So I'm gonna have to look for that for him. But if those dresses don't work, then I might just have to find something for me. But fingers crossed they do because I just, you know, I just really hope they work out. I'm probably gonna do a quick cleanup because I swear, I feel like every time I vlog, I'm always talking about cleaning up, but that's just my life. Probably gonna do a quick cleanup, hop in the shower, try those dresses on, and then figure out what store I'm gonna go to try to find his shirt. So that is what my day is filled with so far. Yeah, I will check back in with you guys once something else exciting happens because right now I think I just need to take a breather because I'm out of breath, I'm lost, and I'm tired. Let's just get on with the day already. Okay. So I lay down in bed because Jasper started throwing up. I had to help him, and then I decided that I was gonna cuddle with him while watching the Mary Poppins movie on Disney Plus. One thing led to another, and I knocked out for 2 hours. So now I am behind schedule. Dude. Can't with myself. I just can't. So now I need to hurry up and do what I was supposed to be doing earlier. I haven't done anything since we last spoke this morning. I need to hurry up and clean. You want to say hello? You feel better? See, I feel better now. I threw up just a little bit, but now I feel better. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town.
I told her meet me in the back, that I fat and she don't know how to act. When she back that thing up on that, it's a rap. I'm just trying to hit it once, I'ma take it to the back. Think she came in with a man, but she leaving with me, yeah. Cause she know that I'm the man. Said she got a plan and she know me from the gram. Oh man, I think she might could be a fan. Made me think twice, so it might could be a scam. Oh yeah, might be fire. But one thing I hate is a liar. Cause I don't know who you was prior. Tryna set it up, you could try, but whoa, these ain't loyal. Probably took your number, but you know I won't call you. Rather
Yo. So Chris just got off, so we are going to run to the store so we can try to look for a black button up for him, and then he's gonna try to find a shirt for him, and then we will grab some dinner. Okay, well, he's here, so let's go to the store. To Target. Bubba's is here. He just got 2 black shirts. One is black with a yellow collar and purple sleeves, and then the other one is black that says Unity on it, and then he's gonna wear his black joggers. Once we get ready, we'll show you guys our outfit. I'm pretty excited about mine. I love mine, but we're about to get in and out. I'm starving. Ready? Let's do this.
All right, you guys go.
Awesome. Thank you.
No worries. Enjoy, guys. Oh, here you go.
Protein style. Yum. And I'm about to clean my busted ass Reeboks. Potentially wear those because I think it would look cute to do the black dress with white shoes. I'm going to clean these right now, and then I need to actually start getting ready because it's currently 8 o'clock and it starts at 10. Just saying that made my heart race. So I'm gonna just clean these, so if you guys want to watch me, then let's do this.
It's high, but niggas won't take it, ayy. If I'm okay, I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib, using no hands. Oh, did it feel like I'm floating? But I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense.
Okay, so we are all ready. So Bubba's here is wearing his black shirt that I was telling you about that has the yellow collar or green collar, purple sleeves, with his black joggers and black and white shoes. Looking fine, if you might ask me. We're gonna go for the dress, and then I'm wearing pink shoes. That's what we're working with here. They look really cute. I like it, even though we are merging together because we're black. We are now getting ready to go. The party already started, but let me put my bag on. Do I actually really want to try this way? Or do I want to do that?
Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe, my nigga I been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that west side. I'm in that new coupe, my nigga I been fired. I get that check right. Look, off of that side. Wave, look, ayy, I don't do no fake love. Tell lil' bruh shape up. The way we lit, they throwin' shade, but they never say nothing. Bitch, I'm that maze runner. I been known to stay stunned. My drip on Blade Runner. And the way we move, it ain't no creases on my A1s. 2021 about to be mine, word to my day ones. Niggas shooting blindside, I aim straight for the frames, huh? I don't take no L's, my boy, I learned from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I feel. My ex is somewhat stressed, she dropped the ball, but that's a win. I just tied the knot into the game, she got a pill. I'm much more concerned with how my time about to be billed. Need a couple meal tickets in my pocket till the bill. Quick to flip a bill, bitch, I'm about to profit. I'm a real nigga with them wheels spinning, never stopping on that boss shit. Yeah, can top in the backseat. Fuck a critic and an analytic. Independent and we just beginning. Clearing anybody interfering. Tough loss, keep it tucked off. There's something plush, do the brush off. Free spirit, make a trust fall, right? Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that
birthday on the 4th, my birthday on the 6th.
Happy birthday to you.
Let me grab.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Emily is my dog. All cameras out. We about to eat the cake off the cake.
We love everybody. Look, it's again, let's everybody. You don't promote gang violence.
I told her meet me in the back, that I fat and she don't know how to act. When she back that thing up on that, it's a wrap. I'm just trying to hit it once, I'ma take it to the back. Think she came in with a man, but she leaving with me, yeah. Cause she know that I'm the man. Said she got a plan and she know me from the gram. Oh man, I think she might could be a fan. Made me think twice, so it might could be a scam. Oh yeah, might be fire, but one thing I hate is a liar. Cause I don't know who you was prior. Tryna set it up, you could try, but whoa, these they ain't love you. Probably took your number, but you know I won't call you. Rather stay on point, cause I can't fall for you. They said you run the world, can't let it control you or destroy you, yeah. I love all.
Happy birthday to L.I.E. Gotti, my baby for life.
Okay.
We got the twin right here. We share the same birthday, so that means we got the same message.
Yes, amen.
Happy birthday, L.I.E. Gotti, my baby.
okay.
And this is my sister from another mister.
Amen.
Share that message.
Thanks for coming into my girl's life.
Ooh.
Okay, because I didn't think any man was good enough for her, but you don't prove me wrong. Okay, so happy birthday, love.
Cheers to that. Happy birthday, L.I.E. Gotti.
Happy birthday, love. Happy birthday, love.
Okay.
Happy birthday, love. Hope you have a great birthday, love. We love you. Love. It's a birthday, love.
Oh. Okay.
It's a birthday, love. It's a birthday, love. It's a birthday, love. Oh, okay. Happy birthday, love. Happy. Okay, we're done.
Oh, happy birthday, Lo.
Happy birthday.
Much
we are
love
so
to you.
happy to be here for
Whoa.
your birthday.
Have a great day.
I'm so excited to be here. I hope you have a great 26th birthday.
Let this shit about to get this shit going. Let's go.
Hi. Birthday, love. Thank you for coming into my sister's life and making her happy.
Happy birthday, love. Thank you for being to the happiest. I'm drunk for you. Oh, so let's turn it.
Here
I go.
Happy birthday, Lo. I remember when I was there. I was there when you and Taylor met, and it was so beautiful and so magical. And I'm so happy that you guys are like an item, and you're gonna give me some grandkids by the end of the year. And happy birthday.